This is a short introduction on levels of strategy. There are three distinct levels of strategy, with corporate level strategy at the top, the business level strategy in the middle, and functional or operational strategy at the bottom. Corporate level strategy is formulated with the perspective of the company as a whole. A company may be having 5 distinct businesses, so at corporate level they take a helicopter view of all the businesses together. Business level strategies are formulated for each specific business from its own perspective within the strategic objectives and guidelines, including the resource provided by the corporate level strategy. Function level strategies are formulated under business level strategy. Business level strategy is broken into functional or operational level objectives and tasks for each function like marketing, HR, etc. This is where we talk about strategy execution. The three levels of strategies in an organization are intrinsically linked. They are formulated distinctly but in an intertwined manner. Business level strategy is derived from the corporate level strategy. Functional level strategy is derived from the business level strategy for each specific business. Implementation of chosen business level strategy on the ground is carried out through a series of short-term plans created by managers at the functional level. An organizational structure of a firm is shown pictorially. The top one is for a multiple business firm like ITC or HUL, and the lower one is for a single business firm, say a firm which manufactures cement only and nothing else. The levels of strategy follows the organization chart. That is 3 levels of strategy in case of multiple business firm and 2 levels of strategy in case of single business firm, where corporate level and business level combine into one. Next slide would depict the main people involved in formulating strategies at each level. It also would show the characteristics of the 3 levels with respect to 4 selected criteria. For example, scope of corporate level strategy is very broad. The time horizon is high, that is longest. Uncertainty level is high. Impact as well as risk are highest. For function level strategies, the scope is narrow, time horizon is low, uncertainty level is low, impact as well as risk is lowest. Business level strategy falls in the middle in all these 4 criteria. Who are the main strategists at the 3 levels? Main responsibility for the corporate level strategy is with the CEO of the firm, the board, the business unit heads with support from others. For each business level strategy, the business head or the CEO of each business, the senior business manager and functional heads are the main responsible person. For functional level strategy, the functional head and the senior business managers have the major responsibility. Most important question that the corporate level strategy has to answer or decide upon is which businesses we should be in. How do we manage our portfolio of businesses? Which new business we should enter or which one of the current business we should divest? How do we allocate resources amongst businesses? How could we exploit the synergy between our businesses? Also, what general strategic objectives and guidelines we can provide to each business? Most important questions business level strategy has to answer or decide upon is how do we compete in our chosen market? What should be our competitive orientation? Should we go for cost leadership or differentiation? Similarly, which segment of the market is attractive to us? Functional or operational level strategy has to develop an annual objectives and short-term plans for each function like HR, marketing, manufacturing, etc. They have to prepare detailed plans in each area like production, marketing, operations, finance, etc. to support business achieve the desired result. For example, they have to plan how much do we manufacture each month? What should be sales planning for each month for next 3 months? How do we manage our inventory? What should be our logistics plan? They also have to put in place standard operating procedures, policies, etc. They have to prepare budgets, programs for each function. We'll be learning in the online classes typical strategic decisions that are taken at each level of strategy in a firm. Let's now consider the fundamental purpose of a firm. It is to earn a return on its investment that exceeds the cost of capital. Now, there are two ways to achieve this. One is to locate itself in an industry where the conditions are favorable. For example, pharmaceutical, then FMG, these are sectors which are have favorable conditions. Second, having selected the industry to create competitive advantage vis-a-vis your competitor, that's another way to get a return which is in excess of the industry average. Now, these two define the first two levels of strategy within an enterprise, that is corporate strategy and business level strategy. If the objective is to obtain a rate of return above the cost of capital, select attractive industries, which is the corporate level strategy. Having chosen the industries, create a competitive advantage over others in the industry, which is nothing but business strategy. Hope you have got a brief idea about levels of strategy. Thank you.